Hello everyone, it's me, MLG Renegade 909, and today we are playing another game of Pixelgun, The Campaign, Season 1, Episode 4. Yeah, so last time we went to the city to find out that there was no survivors, and that basically all the mobs basically just killed them, straight up. I mean, the army couldn't do anything about it either. They all perished. And apparently I'm the only one that survived, which is weird. Anyway, last time I took out this two-headed freak with a cool-looking magnum, and I took it. And now, I found his hospital entry card, and now I'm going to the hospital to find out if they have any answers. So let's continue, shall we? Ooh, I like the skeleton on the bed. Little, whatchamacallit, operating table. Yeah, that's what they called it. Operating table. Oh, crap. Oh. Thanks, Snarls. Come on. I don't think he says Snarls. I don't think he sees us. Alright, I'm gonna go pull out that magnum that we got. Oh, sweet, looks cool, doesn't it? Looking the opposite direction. Okay, yeah, doesn't it look cool? I'll take that as a yes. Alright, let's see how much this damage this thing works. Takes. Damn! Oh, crap. Nose, this is off my back. Good job, boy. Let's go. You, MRI. Oh crap! I see 3 bullets. What is this? No cure. Panics. Whoa! Thanks so much, Snarls. Look at all these paperwork. This computer's turned off, so I can't tell anything, but this one just has like a bunch of codes on it. Hold on. God, I love doing that. Love this gun. Oop! Good little sludge ball. How did I miss that? Okay, now that I missed. Okay, now that one I didn't. MRI. I guess they were scanning to see if they could fix the zombie virus or whatever. But guess not. Look at all the blood on the doors. Occasionally, some of them look fine. Oh god. Snarls, I just noticed something. Oh god. Do you think the people here are dead as well? Oh god. There's more of them over here. Disciplinary. Don't know what that is. Oh great, the only exit's boarded up. Sweet. Oh god. Snarls, you okay? Yeah, you look fine. Okay. Jerk! Wait, surgical entry? What's that? Surgery. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, are you alright? You can't be because you're a skeleton. Oh god. Apparently he's still alive, apparently. Pretty sure that's how the health monitors go. Hang in there, survivor skeleton dude. No, he's dead. The dude's dead. Alright, come on, Snarls. Let's follow the giant green arrow that somehow points to our zombies that we gotta kill. Like this one. Hi there. How would you look at AK-47 in the head? Good job, Snow. Kinda wasted a couple of bullets, and never mind. Oh my god. Smells? Oh. Thanks. What the heck is that? Oh my god! Come on, Snarls! You okay, Snarls? Oh god, you look a little wounded, but you look fine. What the hell was that? Oh, you're so cute. Okay. Whew, looks like we got a new gun. This one's all out of ammo. Okay. We'll lose some ammo on the floor over there so I can get it, but probably. Alright. Well, the hospital was no help. No smoking. I don't even smoke. Alright, let's go grab this gun and start leaving. Oh, sweet. It was a bad idea. Was it? Hey, look, there's a helicopter and more body bags. Helicopter. That means there must be more survivors. I'm here. Help me. I need to follow them. Oh, look, there's a gun on the floor. Why don't we take that? Well, guys, that's the end of episode 4. Season 1, episode 4 of Pixel Gun, the campaign. Hope you guys enjoy, and I see you next time. Bye, guys.